Let's give a toast. Okay, sige, yan ang mag-aakapela kita. Kapag hindi kasi nagkakadurungan ano, kung may the sound, may nagkakadurungan. Sige. One sound, kita makata. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Blow the candles.
Oo, din ang video.
And 1, 2, 3, blow! But now we will be witnessing the first slice of 50 years, diba? Sige, pwede kita mag-slice, ano kita? Oo, slice. Of his 50th birthday, oo. Ayan. Sige.
Tapos ting...
Okay. Here go. It is Ilawi kung maanay cake 50th. Ayan. Ayan ang applause, please. And now, everybody, let us all raise our glass and let us give a toast for the 50 years of life of Kuya Rocky. Everybody, everybody raise our glass and parang kinagakan.
Ano yun? Dinitid ko.
Sige, dalawa kita pagyakan ha.
Sige, sige.
Dalawa kita pagyakan ha. Stepping into 50. Again, stepping into 50. Okay, sige. You let us give a toast to our birthday celebrant. Toast, let us give a toast to our birthday celebrant, everybody. Stepping into 50. Happy birthday, happy birthday, cheers! Ayan.
Ito, deswali ka. Nagkukunin kandidato, libat.
Baka kasi kaya ka na niya firstborn, ang niya firstborn daughter. Oo, usa lang ka niya daughter, ano, ang niya uli na iha. Oo, naya ka, baka lang ulo yung mga kandidato. Sakto lang, may election yan na, ano. Yan na, oo. Ano pa? Sige. Ayaw, ito ba, mahubugan natin celebrant. Sige, okay.